Today I'm testing the Xiaomi 6GB RAM and 128GB storage tablet. In the box we find the tablet, a 22.5 watt charger with a USB-C and USB-A cable, a startup guide, and its warranty card. It has the same design as the Mi 11 range, with a glass front, an aluminum frame, and a plastic back, which quickly takes fingerprints. On the sides we find a connector for the keyboard, and a connector to recharge the stylus. We find an Android interface with the MIUI 12.5 overlay. The features and software are like most Xiaomi devices, so you will not be disoriented. Such as displaying multiple windows at the same time, or also have a floating window. The browsing experience is very fluid, and it is very pleasant to use. It's a 2560 by 1600 pixel WQHD IPS LCD screen. It has true display technology that allows it to adapt to the surrounding light. The screen is bright enough for viewing in direct sunlight, and no worries about viewing angles. It is also compatible with Dolby Vision for your Netflix or Disney content more. As on the iPad from which it was inspired, it has 4 speakers with Dolby Atmos compatibility. I didn't find the position of these 4 speakers annoying, except of course if you hold it firmly, which will obstruct the audio output. The sound is not excellent, but still very good for a €400 tablet. At the back, a sensor of 13 million pixels and 8 million pixels at the front. It can shoot in 4K 30 FPS, but whether in photo or video is not really its strong point. Thanks to the Snapdragon 860 processor, the gaming experience is very pleasant. It is powerful, that is one of its strong points, and with the 120Hz refresh rate, it brings an even smoother experience. In this test, I used some games that require a lot of resources, and had no problems running them. With the APK application, you can turn your Xiaomi tablet into a PC mode, and thus use it as a computer. The stylus, keyboard, or mouse are optional. They can be used for note-taking or other office tools. However, with the stylus, you will not be able to do detailed and precise graphic work like on the iPad Pro, for example. The battery is 8,720 mAh, with an autonomy of about 10 hours in average use. It takes quite a long time to charge, despite the 22.5 watt fast charger, but it's also compatible with 33 watt chargers. For security, we find a facial recognition, but no fingerprint sensor. It unlocks quite quickly. After several months of use, it remains as fluid as ever. I recommend this tablet already for its quality-price ratio, and if you already have a Xiaomi ecosystem that will facilitate connectivity between them. It is very easy to use, very fluid, powerful, and versatile. The autonomy is very comfortable, and its 120Hz screen is well calibrated. Its design is elegant. The edges that surround the screen are quite thin. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a little like and to subscribe to my channel. Thanks!